Here's one you're definitely not going to see every day. 1948 Mercury 8 convertible. Second gen Mercury 8 here. Can't think of another one that we've had in this body style of convertible. It's been a while. So you won't see one of these every day. This particular vehicle was traded into us the way that you see it. Being sold as is. Needs a little bit of TLC, but a lot of the tough stuff's been done on this. Engine, 302 underneath the hood. Power brakes, power steering. Already set up on it. Automatic with overdrive. So it's a runner and a driver. Like I said, just needs a little TLC to finish it up. I'm going to go ahead here and show you parts that do come with it. So you have the two side glasses, and then the rear glass, and the other one is in the car. I'll get around and show you the interior. Some trim pieces obviously back there in the bin. In the box is the convertible top. There's the convertible top mechanism. It folds back and forth, and it's amazing how heavy that is. Built back in the day. Some other miscellaneous trim pieces. I know there's a battery tray there, what have you. Tell you what, if you want to check out the still pictures of this car so you can kind of see what's left to be done on it, and best of all, what has already been done on it, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com, or right down below this video in the description. You're going to see a link. Click on that. It'll take you right to pictures of this car. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions we can on this one. As you can see, a lot of the bright work still in the car and in nice shape. I left this door cracked so I can open it up to give you an idea as far as interior. So you got cloth and vinyl seats have been done in it. Dash is looking pretty stock and the way it would have been in 1948, as well as a steering wheel, shift column. Like I said, now it does have an automatic with overdrive in it. Carpeting has been put in it. Again, side window glass needs to be put in. But you see a lot of stuff has been done on this car. A little bit of TLC, finish it up. Have a very cool convertible. And again, kind of a rare one, not one you're going to see every day. Come around to the back. Again, a lot of the trim pieces here, dual exhaust running out the back. We'll fire it up and start it up. You can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay too. So, like I said, it is a runner and driver. Comes with some extra parts. Needs a little finishing. And wow, what a cool rod you would have. Again, look down below in the description of this video. Click on the link. It'll take you to the still pictures. So if you want to check this out, that's on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Like I said, we do consider trades. This one was traded into us. Financing is available on the classics we sell, and of course we can sure assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Let's go ahead and check out the driver's side here. Again, side glass needs to be installed. Now you can see there's the passenger rear glass is there. And kind of stock dash wheel. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Starts very easily, smooth running car. Like I said, a lot of work on the drivetrain already been done. It does have power steering, power brakes. There are some pictures in the trunk also on our website. Check those out. Come around to the back. Nice smooth running car. Paint on it, I'd call it driver quality paint. Yeah, there's going to be imperfections like you see in a lot of black cars, but see it's still got a nice gloss to it. Alright, I'm going to pause this video a second and pop that hood. Just going to take a look underneath there and see how that 302 looks. Alright, got the hood open, propped up for you there. As you can see, smooth running 302 underneath there. Again, power steering, power brakes. Did notice wiring to the trunk and taillights and what have you also. You can check that out in the pictures, like I said, pictures of the trunk, undersides, interior, engine bay. There you have it, 1948 Mercury 8 convertible. A little finishing work to do on it, and you will have one cool classic ride. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Like I said, down below in the description of this video, click on the link, take you right to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the pictures. We do consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can help you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Give us a call.